Snowbird 2012.
It's slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no!
My feet are at Jenny's head. And I'm only 5 feet behind her. Turn around, show me your butt. Let me see your butt.
Thinking about what I do to that body. I get you like, ooh, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby. Got no drink in my hand, but I'm wasted. Getting drunk, all the thought of you naked. I get you like, ooh, baby, baby, ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
I missed a little bit.
You just snapped that arrow.
I missed a little bit.
All you gotta do if you want new ones is to ask. Yeah, she just broke an arrow.
How do you know I broke it?
I heard it, and I seen pieces. I don't know if rocks go flying that far.
I do.
You better try again.
Come as you are, as you were, as I want you to be, as a friend, as I'm known and me. Take your time, hurry up, choice is yours, don't be late. Take a rest,
Better. Mucho better.
as I'm known
To the right. Just hit my other arrow. Not bad, not too bad. A little low left. Slow.
That's the best though, right?
Okay, babe. Kill it. Oh! Just a little bit hot. Snowbird.
Snowbird.
What do you think? You didn't do this last year.
No, I didn't get up here last year.
The elite course.
So it's going to be new for me, baby.
What's that behind you?
The tram.
That's where we're going,
bad.
man.
It's them damn chairlifts that get you all sitting out there and not buckled in. That scared the crap out of me.
That's where we're going.
Where we going, baby?
Down here.
Where are we?
All over there.
Where's Snowbird?
I sat there and watched.
Bowcast.
Where's the snow?
You missed it last year. You're too late, man.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready to go?
I got my ibuprofen, I'm ready.
Did you bring enough potassium? I got 2 bananas in my backpack. So Whacker. You ready, brother? Wishing for snow, huh? I know I am.
I'm not.
Roller
Down on target number 1.
Holy roller. I got shot down in Southern California. All along you never loved me, yeah. Until the day that you shot me off. And now when it's over, I hope that you find what you're after, yeah. Are you having a good time? With your friends and your friends' wives. So now I'm gonna warn you that there's only so much I can hold. Are you having a good time? Yeah, yeah. Like a movie star, yes. Driving in your fancy car.
How's that?
Don't lose your balance here, Frog.
Spending money another
How's that?
A little bit of a jump.
Last target's right there.
yeah. Now that you're living on
We're on top of the world now.
hope that you're social
On top of the world. I'm tough. Straight up there. 76.
66.
66.
30 degrees.
Come on, extreme shot winner.
Yeah, baby.
We're wore out. We just came off the top.
You want to shoot for a bow case?
Which case?
That one right there.
That red one? Oh, orange, Easton.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
We got to get a couple of guys.
Okay.
You want to shoot?
Me? What are we doing?
You don't want to shoot?
I don't need a case.
What are we doing?
I don't really go, man. I'm shooting
What's
gold
the-
tips and I got a monster case.
You got a case of that?
Good idea.
Let's see.
Brett, come here.
Brett will. We'll be all over that.
Come here.
He's got to think about something first.
We got to have a little shoot down first. We got to have some guys.
We got a little competition. A competition.
We'll do a dozen injections in a bow case.
A dozen injections in a bow case. What do you got to do?
We'll have a shoot down. We got to get 3 or 4 guys. We'll start with this, and then we'll just keep putting the plates in until it gets smaller, and the last guy wins.
Did you hear that?
That's crazy.
Get 1 arrow.
Smoker round, huh?
Okay, one arrow.
A mini smoker round.
Keep shooting until the hole gets smaller.
Hey, where'd that hit?
I don't know. I was watching through this.
Oh, can I shoot one?
No.
Great, Brett. Want to do it?
Let's do it, dude.
All right. Ow!
Is that a little high?
I think he's a little left high. Shooting a smoker round at a steel buck for a dozen injection shafts and a bow case.
Sick, dude.
9 guys in, right? 2 down?
2 down.
Austin busted his too. It's looking good for me. Four down. Just remember that.
You are left though.
Huh?
You are left.
I know. There's 5. Let's go, Dallin. Ooh,
It's in there.
dude! You snuck that one in. I hope it survived.
It may be in, but I can't keep shooting with my arrows gone. Right? Left or what?
Dang it.
There's only how many people?
2 more. Me and Dallin.
That's not, well, I'm in.
2 left.
I can throw it, I guess. I don't dare shoot through my bow. It's already too short of an arrow.
Did very impressive twice on this course. He's never gone longer than 3 minutes.